Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install Weyd streaming app on your Amazon Firestick device. Weyd is the popular streaming app that was recently released. This new app features movies, TV shows and more. Weyd can be installed on all Android devices including the popular Amazon Firestick device. So this app is officially not available on Amazon Firestick device. If you want to download Weyd app on Firestick, first you need to jailbreak on Firestick. So what you have to do, you need to press remote home button for 3 seconds. And here you will find 4 options. So you click on settings option. And here move forward to find my FireTV option. Once you have find my FireTV option, then click on. Now open developer option. And here scroll down apps from unknown source and press remote select button. When you press remote select button, a message will appear on your screen. So select turn on. And here as you can see, apps from unknown source has been enabled. It means Firestick jailbreak. Now go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here you need to download downloader on your Amazon Firestick device. So click on search icon above the menu and type here downloader. When you type 2-3 words, the suggestion below downloader, so click on. And here click on orange color downloader app. Now click on download button. So after downloading downloader, then click on open button. When you launch downloader first time, it will ask you allow some permission. So click on allow. Then click on OK. And here as you can see the downloader search boxes. So click on and type here firesticklab.com/.weyd-apk. After typing firesticklab.com weyd.apk link, and click on go button. And here as you can see downloading will be started. It will depending on your internet connection speed. So the Weyd app has been downloaded on our Amazon Firestick device, and now click on install button for installing. So the application installed. Now you open the application from here and also from home. And after installing application, click on done button and delete APK file. Now go back to home screen by pressing remote home button. And here again press remote home button for 3 seconds. Then click on apps. And here you will find all application that is installed on Amazon Firestick device. So if you want to open that application, then scroll down, you will find that application. So here is the Weyd application. So click on. click on OK button. So you can use this method to download Weyd streaming application on your Amazon Firestick device. And I hope this video is really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any kinds of question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.